Prior to 2019, the only non-left MPs of the Tripura East Lok Sabha constituency were members of the Tripura Royal Family. In Tripura East, there have been 3 members of Tripura Royal Family who became MPs from this seat. Maharaja Kirit Bikram Debbarma became 3 times, while Bangshi Thakur and Maharani became 1-time MPs from this constituency. And this year, another member of the royal family is going to represent the Tripura East constituency in an inevitable victory that has been already long foreseen. Maharani Kriti Singh Debbarma, the elder sister of Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma, is contesting this Lok Sabha election from the ST reserve seat of Tripura East. Her nomination came after a historic tripartite accord between Tipra Motha, the Tripura government, and the central government on various constitutional demands put forward by Motha. This accord is thought to have happened after various rounds of talks between the union government and Tipra Motha. The then opposition of the Tripura Legislative Assembly failed and Bubagra Pradyot Kishore threatened to go for fast unto death.
National highway and fast unto death. If I have to die, I will die. But I will get something for my people.
Since then, there have been agreements on various issues like land rights, political rights, economic autonomy, rights to preserve the language, culture, and history of the indigenous people of Tripura, etc. in a time-bound manner. This accord also brought Tipra Motha, the then opposition of TLA and the current government of BJP and IPFT closer, as they formed an alliance to which no one expected to have happened so early and without any formal declaration. In many interviews and press conferences, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore was clearly found stating that symbol doesn't matter, what matters is that our people represent us and speak about our issues.
कैंडिडेट वही होगा, मुझे मालूम नहीं कौन से पार्टी से होगा, क्या सिंबल से होगा, लेकिन कैंडिडेट वही होगा जो मैं चूज करूं.
And on 13th of March, BJP announced Maharani Kriti Singh Debbarma as its candidate for ST reserve seat of Tripura East, meaning Kriti Singh Debbarma, who is the elder sister of Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Debbarma, will be contesting as a BJP candidate and on BJP symbol. This decision might have also come after many BJP cadres refused to vote for Tipra Motha candidate if Tipra Motha was to stand in Tripura East constituency. Furthermore, there were speculations that it was Rajkumari Pragya Debbarma who was going to contest in the election, as it was seen in the 2019 election where Rajkumari Pragya Debbarma, another elder sister of Bubagra Pradyot Kishore and also member of the Tripura Royal Family, came second to winning against BJP's Rebati Tripura with over 2,77,000 vote share from total 10 lakh voter turnout of the constituency. And this year again, another member of the Tripura Royal Family has been fielded for Tripura East constituency.
मैं अंत में गृह मंत्री जी को एक छोटे भाई के तरीके से एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूं.
उन्नीस जे लोकसभा 19 लोकसभा के कांग्रेस संगने चिनी महारानी प्रज्ञा बासा थाके जिदि मान लिया बनि बरके को ताकलाइनि ताबनो जे इलेक्शन अब तो जतन साइबानो जे चिनी ताबको कृति सिंह चिनी महाराज प्रद्योत बिनि बिबियो करा ओफाय बासा थाके नंगे सारा थांगाके पूर्व त्रिपुरा आसानो रमदे बनि राज परिवारनि जे बदमानि पुइलानि सिमि जेने महाराज किरित बिक्रम मनपुरे राजमाता बिभुकुमारी देवी बर घरनि तो एमपी इंजाक बर ताबुसा जरा सारा थांगे बंशी ठाकुर मासा दङ कोनो ठाकुर माने बबा तबके कांग्रेस दिमाग बर जतनो बेने बासा माने ताबुक भाई सभा क्या चिनी जे ताबुनि जे प्रेजेंट 2024 जे लोकसभा चिनी जे कृति सिंह महारानी वो बासा भागा ताबु बीजेपी मथानि कैंडिडेट हिसाबै बनि बागेने अब ताबु राज परिवारनि जे राजनीतिनि जे तापे जे भाई दङनि अब नुकजाक अब जे भाई दङनि नुकजाक अब राजनीति वो तब आगे ने जे वो भाई ताबो ने जे चिनी महाराज जे राजनीति हिसाब फेरो तांग माने चिनी যত যে কিরিট বিক্রম থেকে মহারাজ কিরিট বিক্রম থেকে চেঙ্গাইনাই রাজমাতা তাই চিনি মহারানী প্রজ্ঞা দ্বারা যতন কংগ্রেস থেকে বাং বাজামানি মাত্র তাবুক চিনি মঠা আসাই রে বা বেশি দিক লাইনে চিনি মহারাজ প্রদ্যোৎ কিশোর
Critics accuse the royal family of spreading dynasty politics and opportunism by only fielding members of the Tripura Royal Family in the Tripura East Lok Sabha constituency. In 2019, we saw Rajkumari Pragya Debbarma being fielded from Congress under the guidance of Bubagra Pradyot Kishore, and before that, Maharani Bibhukumari Devi, Maharaja Kirit, Bikram, and Thakur actually became MPs from this seat. But the truth remains that if we don't count the last 2019 Lok Sabha election, then only the left and the Congress were the only ones who had ever won from this constituency. And besides the left, the only people who ever became MPs from this constituency were members of the Tripura Royal Family or in relation with the royal family. But despite these allegations, Bubagra Pradyot Kishore and Motha seem to be on a mission. What outcomes would that mission bring in the lives of a normal tiprasa? Only time would tell. If you liked our video, do consider subscribing to EastTwipra for more in-depth videos.